Hey everybody, Mike Rogers here, American Patriot Biker. Today is Saturday. This is the first time that we have been without grandkids for a little while. So we are going to go take a weekend ride and go up to my parents' lake house and chill out with them. So this is probably the second time that Letha, my beautiful wife here, has got to ride all summer because of the grandkids, but that's all right. But we're going to enjoy this weekend, and I'm going to do a little video and I'll post it for you. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks. If you like my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like my Facebook, please like and share. Tell all your friends. Let everybody know what's going on here. Saying we're making awareness of the American Patriot Biker and everything that he does. I appreciate it. This is Mike Rogers, American Patriot Biker. And as I always say, live your life. Don't be scared.